Hello students, welcome back to the mathematics class. I hope you have done your homework which was given to you yesterday. Now it's time to check your answers. Okay, now students, our first question was replace fill in the blanks in the each of the following by correct number. This was our first question and the A option was 2 by 7 equals to 8 by blank space. You have to replace this space by the correct number. Then what you have to do now? Students, this is the case of equivalent fraction. That's why you need to check the numerator from which number this number has multiply or divide to make this number. Then we got that 2 is multiplied by 4, then we got 8. Then that's why you need to multiply 7 by 4, then you will get 28. 28 is your answer. Now students, our next question is 5 by 8 equals to 10 by blank space. Now the same process, you need to check which number is multiply or divide in the first numerator to get this. The number is multiply by 2. That's why you need to multiply here also, multiply by 2, it becomes 8 to the 16. The answer is 16. Now the next question. Now the next question is 3 by 5 equals to 3 by 5 equals to fill in the blanks upon 20. In this case you need to check the denominators. Denominator is 5. 5 is multiplied by 4 for making 20. That's why you need to multiply 3 by 4. Then you will get the number 4 3 are 12. The answer is 12. This is the case of equivalent fraction. Next question is D part, which is 45 by 60 equals to 15 by blank space. Now again you need to check the numerator. This numerator is divided by 3 to make 15. 45 divided by 3 to make 15. Then you need to divide this also by 3. It becomes 20. The answer is 20. The next question is E part, 18 by 24 equals to fill in the blanks upon 4. Now you need to check the denominator. Denominator is 24. 24 is divided by 6 to make the denominator 4. That's why you need to divide 18 by 6. Then you will get 3. The answer is 3. Now students, moving to our next question, which is find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having Now students, moving to our next question, find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having A part is denominator 20, denominator 20. That means 3 by 5 equivalent fraction having denominator 20. That means you need to find this place. That's why you just check denominator in which number we have to multiply or divide this denominator to make this. That means 5 is multiplied by 4 to find. That means 5 is multiplied by 4 for making 20. Then 3 is multiplied by same number. Then it becomes 12. The next question is numerator 9. Numerator 9. That means our fraction is 3 by 5 and equivalent fractions numerator is 9. We need to find this place. Then it becomes 3 to 9 multiply by 3. Here is the 5 multiplied by 3. It becomes 5 3 is 15. That means our answer is 9 by 50. In this case, our answer was 12 by 20. Students, our next question is C part, which is denominator 30. That means 3 by 5 equals to fill in the blanks and denominator 30. You need to find by which number we can multiply 5 to make the 30. That is 6. 5 6 are 30. It becomes 3 6 are 18. Our answer is 18 by 30. Now students, moving to our next question, which is numerator 27. Students, our next question is numerator 27. That means 3 by 5 is equals to 27 by fill in the blanks. You need to find out from the numerator 3 is multiplied by 9 to make 27. Now 5 is multiplied by 9, then it becomes 5 9 is 45. The answer is 27 upon 45. Students, our next question is find the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 with. Find the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 with numerator 9. Numerator 9. That means students, now we have fraction 36 by 48 and we have to make another fraction which numerator is 9. Numerator is 9. Now in this case the denominator is missing. You need to just find out what is the denominator. You have to just multiply or divide a number to make this number. From this number, 36 is divided by 4, then we get the 9. Now we divided 48 by 4, then we get 12. That means our answer is 9 by 12. Students, our next question is denominator 4. Now in this case, first we write the fraction 36 upon 48 equals to missing place upon denominator 4. Now we check, we have to divide from 12 to 48, then we get 4. Now 36 divided by 12, we get 3. Our answer is 3 by 4. Students, our next question is check whether the given fraction are equivalent. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent. Now students, our next question is check whether the given fractions are equivalent. The first part is 5 by 9, 30 by 54. Now in this case we have to just take one numerator or denominator first to make the second one, then we check the same process in the denominator also or in the numerator also. If the both of numerator and denominator showing the same process, then our answer will be right. That means this fraction is equivalent. Okay, now let's check 5 by 9, 30 by 54. 5 6 ja 30, that means 6 multiply 5 6 ja 30, 9 6 ja 54, that means this is our equivalent fraction. This answer becomes yes. In this case answer becomes yes. Now next question is now students, our next question is 3 by 10 and 12 by 15. We need to check whether these fractions are equivalent or not. Then simply 3 by 10, we write 3 by 10 and 12 by 50. We check here, 10 is multiplied by 5 to make the 50 and 3 is multiplied by 4. That means these fractions are not equivalent, because these fractions are not showing the same pattern in numerator and denominator. That's why our answer is no. These fractions are not equivalent. Our next question is students, our next question is 7 by 13 and 5 by 11. 7 by 13 and 5 by 11, we check again. Here is no pattern between 13 to 11 and here is also no pattern between 7 to 5. That's why this fraction is not equivalent. That's why our answer is no. Students, in this case we simply say here we cannot make from 7 to 5 with multiply or divide, and here also we cannot make from 13 to 11 by any number, either multiply or maybe divided. We cannot make 13 to 11. That's why our answer is no. These fractions are not equivalent. Students, we have some more questions from comparing of fractions exercise. Now we will discuss this question on tomorrow. Thank you.